Welcome to Hotcoin. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the P2P trading feature. On the home page, tap on More. Next, select P2P at the Trade section to enter the trading interface. P2P, or peer-to-peer trading, allows you to buy and sell crypto securely using various payment methods. Here you can choose to buy or sell cryptocurrency. P2P is a method where users buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly from other users. It offers flexible payment options and often better rates. In the upper right corner, click the button here to select your preferred currency, such as USD, EUR, GBP, AUD, JPY, CNY, IDR, and more. Keep in mind that available features may vary depending on the currency. For example, in CNY, Alipay and WeChat are supported, while in EUR, bank transfers, SEPA, and Paysera are supported. For every currency available, lists of P2P merchants are available. One list for buying and another list for selling. These merchants compete for the best deals to attract traders. Their available quantity and limits are displayed. In P2P trading, quantity is the total available amount of crypto a merchant has, while limits define the minimum and maximum amount you can trade in a single order. To buy crypto via P2P, tap on Buy on any available trader on the buy list, and then tap on Buy Amount and enter how much you want to buy or sell. Tap Please select the payment method to choose your preferred payment method. Next, click Confirm and then Buy. Then you need to follow the steps shown on your screen to complete the buying procedure. On the other hand, to sell crypto via P2P, tap on Sell on any available trader on the sell list. Here you need to enable payout methods before proceeding. Once details are keyed in, you can start trading your crypto with the merchants. That's it. You are now ready to trade seamlessly on Hotcoin P2P. Start buying and selling crypto today with Hotcoin. For more tutorial videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you next time.